Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our April 2026 Zoom class. Card number 1 is going to be our Peacock card. So this one is going to be made using the new Peacock add-ons that fit our arch pop-up. So you do have a foundation die requirement this month. In addition to the 3 required dies from our new release, you will need that arch pop-up to make the Peacock card. Pattern papers are gorgeous designs from Graphic 45. For the photo gallery card, we are going to go ahead and fill both of the galleries with some imagery, but you do have the option, if you prefer, to change out some of those pattern paper or die cut images and put actual photographs on your gallery. So if you want to make this a very personalized card, you do have that option, but if not, it's just ready to send after class. If you are new to our Zoom class program, let me quickly describe how it works. So step 1 is you're going to buy a kit. Now these dies are required, and if you do not own any of them, you can bundle them with your paper extras and instructions. That is always your best value. But if you own one or more of the required dies, you can always get what's called kind of a paper extra and instructions only kit, where then you just add the dies that you still need kind of a la carte. Now, regardless of which kit that you purchase, the one that's bundled with the dies or the ones without the dies, that required foundation die of the arch pop-up is always separate purchase. We just don't know who has it already, so we do not include it in the bundles. Okay, so when your kit arrives, it's going to be those bulk materials, but it's not going to include instructions. So the instructions come by email. So from the store where you purchased your kit, look for a prep work email on or about 9 to 10 days before class. So that would be, in this case, around April the 16th. And that email is going to include your very detailed PDF instructions as well as a link to the prep work video. And what you can do is take those bulk materials and your required dies and those PDF instructions, tune into that prep work video, and at your own pace, on your own time, with me, you're going to get your kit ready to assemble. That same email is going to have your Zoom login instructions. So if you are planning on joining the live class, then you will join us on April 25th, 2026 at 11 a.m. Central, and we'll put those cards together in a live Zoom room. Now, if you can't make the live Zoom, or your kit hasn't arrived yet, or you didn't get your prep work done, or you can't stay for the whole thing, it is being recorded, okay? And all of the students will get access to that recording. So you can make those projects on your own time. If you want to remake them in your own colors, you'll have access to both the prep side and the class day side as a recording. All right, how do you get a kit, you may ask? Well, start on our website. Go to KarenBurniston.com, click on the events tab, and then click on current events. And that's going to have all of your options. So we will offer a limited number of kits on our website. We don't put them up until we're ready to ship them, but they will show up in the kits and classes area when they're ready to ship. Additionally, there are multiple stores that partner with us on these classes. They all sell kits as well. So you can pick from one of those stores that are linked on that events tab. You'll get great service from all of our partner stores. We even have one that is in Europe. So if you've never joined us for a Zoom class, we would love to see some new and favorite faces in April. Thanks so much.